You think you need money to make money? False. You don't need money to make money. And now you will see how. What you really need are smart habits and a little strategy. In this video, I'll show you 10 fun and practical ways to make money without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Be punctual and efficient with time. Time is money, my friends. Successful people know that every wasted minute is money slipping through your fingers. Dragging feet and disorganization cost you opportunities. More often than not, opportunities have short lifespan and presented only once in a lifetime. Example: imagine two freelancers. One wakes up at noon, misses deadlines, and loses clients. The other starts early, hits every deadline, and earns repeat business. Pro tip: set a daily schedule. Use tools like Google Calendar or Notion to stay on top of tasks. Consistency with time management leads to long-term gains. Number 2. Networking and partnerships. Money isn't always in your bank account. It's in your connections. Surround yourself with people who have the resources and opportunities you need. People can open doors to deals, mentorship, and even investments. Work on creating your power base. Example: let's say you meet someone who owns a bunch of rental properties. You offer to help with marketing in exchange for learning how the business works, and boom! You now have access to valuable insights without investing a dime. Pro tip: attend business events, LinkedIn networking sessions, or even local meetups. Always bring value to the table when building relationships. Number 3. Get rid of bad habits, especially procrastination. Bad habits, especially procrastination, are silent money killers. The longer you wait, the fewer opportunities you'll seize. Procrastination not only delays income but can also destroy your reputation. Example: you know you've got a great idea for a business but keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Meanwhile, someone else runs with a similar idea and succeeds because they took action. Pro tip: start with small, achievable tasks. Break big goals into bite-sized steps and crush them one by one. Momentum builds success. Start small and stay consistent. Number 4. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Save 10% of your income. Here's the deal: you can't make money without a plan for your money. Living paycheck to paycheck is a cycle that'll keep you broke. Without savings, you'll never have capital for future investments. Example: instead of spending your entire paycheck on impulse buys, save 10% for future investments. Let that savings grow and eventually use it for opportunities like stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. Pro tip: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account right after payday. Start small. Even saving just $20 a month can build a habit. Open your piggy bank today. 5. Rent out tools, instruments, or cars. You don't need to own a business to make money. You can rent out things you already own. Assets like cars, cameras, and equipment can generate passive income. Just look around and you will find it. Example: got a camera you barely use or musical instrument? Rent it out on platforms like Fat Llama. Have an extra car? Try Turo or Getaround. Instruments, tools, even gaming consoles can earn you passive income. Pro tip: take good care of your items and protect yourself with rental agreements or insurance if needed. Read reviews and research platforms to maximize your earnings. Get to action. Number 6. Learn to negotiate. Negotiation is a superpower that can literally put more money in your pocket. Most people leave money on the table because they don't ask for more. Ask and you shall receive. Example: you go for a job interview and they offer $50,000. Instead of accepting it, you negotiate for $60,000. Guess what? That extra $10,000 came from just one conversation. Use negotiation in your advantage. Pro tip: practice negotiating in everyday situations, salary, bills, rent, and you'll start seeing real financial gains. Remember, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. Number 7. Continuously learn new skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. Technology and industries are always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve can boost your income. Skills like coding, marketing, or financial literacy are highly valuable. Take action. Example: imagine you're in sales, and you take time to learn digital marketing. Now, you're more valuable to your company and they're offering you a raise. Pro tip: use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning to upskill. The most successful people never stop learning. Knowledge is power. Number 8. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse buying is the enemy of your financial success. Ever bought something you didn't need just because it was on sale? Small purchases add up and can derail your savings goals. Don't fall into this trap. Example: you splurge $100 on a gadget you never use. That same $100 could have been invested and earned you 10x more over time. Pro tip: use the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, wait a day. Chances are you'll realize you don't need it after all. Avoid emotional purchases by setting financial priorities. Opportunities are there for you, capitalize on. Number 9. Learn to sell. Want a skill that'll always make you money? Learn to sell. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or even your own ideas, sales skills can unlock endless opportunities. Sales professionals often earn some of the highest commissions and bonuses. Example: a content creator pitches their idea to a sponsor and lands a $1,000 sold deal because they knew how to sell their brand effectively. Pro tip: practice pitching products or services to friends or colleagues. Confidence plus communication equals to more deals and money. Sales is about understanding people's needs and offering solutions. Number 10. Increase your value at work. Your biggest asset might just be you. Increasing your value at work leads to raises, promotions, and more career opportunities. When you solve problems and take initiative, you stand out. You know what you are good at? Push for it. Example: you solve a problem that saves your company $50,000 a year. Guess what? They'll remember that when it's time to give out raises. Pro tip: take initiative. Suggest innovative solutions, volunteer for projects, and continuously build your skill set. Create value, and you'll become indispensable. So there you have it. 10 powerful habits that help you make money without money. Start with small changes, and you'll see massive results over time. And remember, always stay hungry. Question for you: which habit are you going to work on first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your financial future. This is Money Talks, and I'll see you in the next video.